How to add the screen recording option on your iPhone. So if you guys take a look at my screen right now, I actually don't have the screen recording option, but by the end of the video, I'm going to go ahead and have it, and so will you guys. So follow very closely, guys, and let's go ahead and get right into it. So go ahead and click on these settings on your iPhone, and once you're actually here on the settings page, go ahead and make your way down and go ahead and click on Control Center. Once you find the Control Center option, go ahead and make your way down. Now, these are all the controls you currently have as shown. It should be highlighted with a red circle on the left. Now, if we go at the bottom, there are more controls, which are obviously highlighted with the green. Now, these are the ones you're going to want to go ahead and add. So you guys can see that the screen recording option here is going to be able to be added to our control panel here. Now, all you have to do is just click on it, and that'll go ahead and add it to your control center here. Now, pretty much you'll go ahead and have it right after that. Now, just pull up the little slider here, and you guys should see that I actually have it. Now, it says right here, screen recording, whatever is not, because I'm currently on AirPlay, but that's essentially how you go ahead and do it, guys. It's very easy to enable the screen recording option here on the iPhone, and it works for any other Apple device as well. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll go ahead and see you guys until next time.